You know, when you work out, you're not just looking better on the outside. You guys got to realize when you're working out, it's all about moving energy, you know? And when we move energy, where are we moving our energy to? You know, Samantha, she, again, I'm gonna keep bringing her up, is she stated so elegantly about, you know, your aerobic capacity and your anaerobic capacity. Well, what's great about the Moses method is we look at the aerobic more so than the anaerobic. So it's not about working harder, it's about working smarter.
Nice.
That's what it's about.
Got it. And so, and pretty much where all that magic happens is inside the cell, correct?
Amen.
Yes. Talk to us a little bit about toxicity and about that aerobic, how that affects the cell and why is that so important?
Well, a lot of people, Christopher, like they think that when you look at a body, they just look at the outside. Okay, you know, we talk about being fit is more than what we see on the outside for a reason, not just because of the spiritual and the emotional component, but we talk about the DEXA scans and all that, we'll get to that.
Yes.
But when we talk about the cell, picture a cell being like that and then having fat covering it. So you've got the cell like that and you got fat, say this is a layer of fat. Now when you get the oxygen in, it's harder to reach the actual cell to detoxify the cell. And what most people do, harder is smarter. No, it's not. They want to go really, really fast, hit. Those things create free radicals. Free radicals. It creates free radicals. And what free radicals do is they basically stick to other cells. So it's like you lose fat, but you gain fat.
Wow.
And you spend a whole lot of money.
Wow. So we're talking about
and you don't see the results, not meaning to cut you off.
No, I mean, that makes a lot of sense because obviously we're talking about cellular health.
Yes.
We're talking about proper cellular function and cellular health.
Absolutely.
Wow. I mean, and obviously I know that, and it's just such an honor to just even sit down with you, obviously being the brain of how this thing has come to be. And obviously I could see all the connection here, going from the beginning of your story all the way up to this point. Being fit is more than what you see on the outside.
Absolutely.
I mean, literally working inside out.
It has to be.
Wow.
It has to be. I mean, we're not to look, it's not about the vanity. That's gonna happen because of you losing the excess fat. When you lose that, then you look good. But in order to lose the excess fat, we must eat foods that are more oxygenated, foods from the land, not dead food, and we must train in our proper zones, and we'll get to that.
Wow. So when you start talking about these things, Anthony, I mean, we're looking at like a lifelong process.
This is the way we should train. Every day your training might be different, depending on the weather, depending on your stress, depending on what you did at work that day.
So this is not a fad. This is not something that you would stick to just for 6 weeks, 8 weeks, 12 weeks.
For it to get like in a wedding dress or something like that, or no, this is something that's a lifestyle.
Wow.
That you can easily stick to. I mean, really you can. I mean, honestly, you really can.
And I think that's a big key. That, like you said, it's something that you can stick to for a lifetime.
Yes.
And it's a lifestyle change.
It's more of a lifestyle versus a diet where you beat yourself down every day. You don't want to go to the gym. You look forward to it. We have solid numbers, so where you can actually see where you're going. Yes. You're not just working out and having your trainer say, hey, you look good. We do our tests every so many weeks so we can find out exactly where you are.